Alright, we're at the Fayette Iron Works, and this is the machine shop. We're going to take a walk through here.
Is that a big steam engine?
Yep.
What's that? Dad, what's that?
That's a capstan winch.
Oh,
Here's a hearth for blacksmith's board. We'll see. What we got here?
Oh, wait.
Fitchburg, never heard of that. Here's a steam engine.
Oh, I like this steam engine.
Erie City Iron Works, Erie City, Pennsylvania.
This is cool. Oh, did it run that lathe?
Yep.
What's this? What's this for, Daddy? This right here.
This is the foundation for a steam engine.
Oh. But the steam engine isn't here?
No, building's pretty well emptied out. What doing, Cupie?
Were they trying to keep as much stuff as they could find and
Looks
put
like
stuff
it.
together?
There's a picture, I think, of what it probably looked like.
Oh. Well, let me find it.
Well, we will go outside and meet when we're done in here.
Let's see if I can find as many quotes as I can before we go. Let's see, there's that there. Ooh, missing that. We see another window with that under it.
Excuse me.
Have a look.
Hello.
Are you saying hi, everybody, Edson?
So, another very interesting historic building from the blast furnace operation here, but kind of sad that it's long since emptied out and we can't see it as it was, but just thought you guys might find interesting. Just say, you can always pause the video and read, but anyway, they got all these, plaques describing some of the men that worked here. You can just imagine the hubbub and din, like this is the original job shop right here. Pretty cool.